Today I'm going to make these beautiful 10 numbers with the help of amazing clay and clay molding toy. I have this beautiful pink clay and we will make our first number. Do you know what is the first number? Let's find out. The first number is number 1. So let's make it with the help of clay, pink beautiful clay. Number 1. Press it properly and remove the extra clay from sides. You have to be careful. Remove the extra clay and let's make this beautiful number 1, which is the first number. 1 car. 1 car. Let's put it here. So let's find out what comes after 1. Let's take this beautiful green clay and let's make it flat with the help of this yellow roller. So make it flat and let's find out what comes after 1. Do you know what comes after 1? It's 2. Let's make it more flat to make this beautiful number 2. Let's press it and take out the extra clay. And you will make the amazing number 2. What comes after 1? It's 2. So let's take it out from this molding toy. This is the beautiful number 2. So you can see how beautiful it is in green color. 2. We have 2 houses. You can see 2 beautiful houses. 2. So now we have this beautiful yellow clay. Let's make it flat again and again. And then, do you know which number comes after 2? Any guesses what I'm holding? It's the number 3. We have the number 3. So what comes after 2? 3. Let's take out this amazing number. So here it is, 3 bananas. Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 bananas. So now I'm holding a green ball, clay. So let's find out what comes after 3. Do you know? Do you guys know what comes after 3? It's the number 4. This is the number 4. Let's press it on the clay and let's remove the extra layer of the clay. And we have 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils. 4. Let's put it back with 3. What comes after 3? It's 4. Number 4. So now I'm gonna take this cute blue clay and I'll make it flat again. And what comes after 4? Do you have any idea? Okay, let's make it flat and I have number 5. After 4, it's 5. So we have this beautiful number 5. Let's take out the clay and take out this amazing blue number, which is 5. Five erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 erasers. So the next amazing beautiful number which comes after 5 is 6. And after 5 it's the number 6. Let's press it and take it out. The beautiful purple color 6. 5, 6. Can you see how beautiful is this in the purple color? 6 in purple color. 6. So we have 6 bottles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's find out what comes after 6. It's the number. Can you guys tell? What comes after 6? I have taken this orange clay and I'm going to press this beautiful number 7. After 6 is the number 7. Number 7. Oh, the orange color is looking so beautiful. 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let's roll. Let's make the green clay flat. And what comes after 7? It's 8. 8. After 7, it's 8. Number 8 in cute green color. Let's take it out. 8. Oh yeah, it's a little bit difficult, but let's take out, let's count. 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 balls. So after 8, it comes beautiful number 9. I'm using a red clay to make the beautiful number 9. After 8, it's 9. Number 9. So we have number 9. 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 triangles. Let's find out what comes after 9. It's the beautiful brown clay. So first I have to take 1 and then 0. 1, 0, 10. Let's take out 1, press it, and then take out the amazing 1 digit, and then we will count the 10 beautiful balloons. Let's put 1 and 0. 1, 0, 10. So now I'm gonna make the beautiful 0 with the help of clay. So I'm using yellow clay. Let's make the 0. 1, 0, 10. 10. So let's take out the beautiful yellow 0 and 1 0 makes 10. Let's count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 balloons. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.